I'm Anastasia from the Frugal Head and his blog, and today we are unboxing the Vuze Underwater 360 housing. So first of all, it comes in a Pelican case, so you can actually travel with it like that. Let's take a look at what's inside the box. So you got a little information booklet here. You've got the housing that comes in two parts that slot together. And you've got the camera mount plate here that actually holds the camera in place and fixes it into the housing. You've got a rubber handle grip that you basically hold the camera by when you're swimming. It's got a nice little strap here to hold onto your wrist so you don't lose it. Two bridge handles which go on top and on the bottom of the camera, and which are super handy when you're swimming, so you can pick up the camera or you can carry it around. You also have a set of spare domes that you can replace on the housing in case your domes that come with the camera get scratched up. And then you have just an assortment of spare parts, screws and O-rings that you can use in case you're changing the domes or replacing any items on the Vuze. So this is what it looks like assembled. Pretty heavy. It's 1.6 kilograms plus the camera, so it weighs probably close to 2 kilograms. On the surface, but it gets lighter in the water, so not to worry. But yeah, I also found it really handy to put a little tripod in here. It's got a little standard mount, as you can see. That really helps to get it standing in like crooks and crannies in the corals, and not the corals, don't destroy corals, rocks. That is the unboxing of the Vuze Underwater Case. I hope you found it useful, and if you have, put a like on the video, or you want to see more about the cameras that I shoot with, leave a comment below and subscribe to my channel to keep posted and see more cool VR travel stuff.